What's up, squad? It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy C, back with another one. If it's your first time here to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Do me a quick favor, hit that notification bell down below so you can stay on top of our content as we drop it. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. We appreciate you. All the love and support, just rocking with our content and vibing out. All right, so today we are just going to get right into it. We are here with a pack that just touched down today from a Nike sneakers drop, and it is the Nike Dunk Low SE, and that is the Dusty Olive, just here in a regular basic red and white Nike box. There's a label, size 12, and that is in Dusty Olive and Pro Gold. So the Dusty Olive Dunk, here we go. Bam. That's the shoe. Really, really, really premium, regular dunk. You know, I was talking to some friends. I'm like, man, some of these dunks that come out seem like they're, you know, as much quality as, you know, Nike SB. When you see this kind of suede that is just like a beautiful, like really premium, buttery suede all throughout the shoe. And this one definitely gives you that. So this is, you know, suede in this olive color around the panels of the shoe, around the side panel, and you know, lace eyelets, around the toe strap, and the back strap here. Then you get this brown buttery suede here as well on top of the toe box. And you get that on the side panels. And on the back of the collar, you actually get a nylon. So that's a nylon here, nylon on the tongue, that same brown nylon. And then they give you this Pro Gold trim, right? Pro Gold on the swoosh, Pro Gold on the logo collar there, with the tongue tab, the laces, white midsole, and Pro Gold on the base. So now let's talk about this Dusty Olive. Dusty, I mean, it's got I guess a dust look just because the brown and the way it has like almost like a frosted appearance and that suede. I mean, but it doesn't really look dusty, but it's a clean fall shoe. I don't know if y'all cop. Hopefully, you know, I know a bunch of people did. I was able to cop just straight on the sneakers app. So it was a nice, you know, nice pull for sure. And a little history on this shoe. So we know this is actually a re-release. So this is a re-release from 2021. And that shoe was really tied. You know, they say it's kind of related or just kind of built off of or related to the 2001 Ugly Duckling pack that was a Japan exclusive. So that Ugly Duckling pack, you know, we've seen pairs of those. You had the plum, you had the ceramic, and the veneer. Dope shoes, all suede, you know, some dope colors. I think on the one, it was this like it was mostly this Pro Gold color, almost looked like a mango. And then the olive was, you know, kind of flipped. So it was olive swoosh, olive laces, and then it had black on it as well. But this is, I mean, this is, like I said, it just reminds me of a Nike SB without all the extra padding. But dope shoe. Let me know if y'all did cop. What do you think of this shoe itself? Myself, I mean, this is as good as you're gonna get on a regular dunk, man. It's not an SB that, you know, doesn't give you all the upgrades, but it is a Dunk Premium SE, so special edition, right? Not an SP like special projects we usually see with Jordan brand, but it's the SE. Dope. I mean, I think this shoe, I would probably give it 8.5, 9. I mean, this is definitely a dope for the fall. You know, definitely get your protective spray if you don't have it. The sole is like, you know, that Pro Gold is not gum, so it won't really, I don't think, discolor much. But yeah, definitely protect this suede though. So anyway, just a quick short take on this shoe. Really dope. Definitely one of the best regular Nike dunks that have dropped, I would say, this year. But again, it's a re-release, so they didn't really innovate. They just said, well, we're going to dig in the past and pull back some heat and drop that. But I picked this up for one of the homies. So, you know, nice pair for him. Kind of wish I picked one up myself. But hit me in the comments. Did you grab one? What are your thoughts on the shoe? I will see you on the next one. And thanks for hanging out, y'all. Peace.